How to reset your TP-Link extender. Step 1. Make sure your extender is plugged into a power outlet and turned on. Step 2. Find the reset button. It is usually a small, pinhole-sized button on the back or bottom of the extender. Step 3. You might need a paper clip or a pen to press the reset button. Step 4. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. This will initiate the reset process. Step 5. While the reset is in progress, the extender's lights might flash or blink. This is normal. Step 6. Once the lights go off and then come back on, this indicates the extender has been reset to its factory settings.